Hi, welcome to the Grumpy Plumber. I'm Jordan, this is Dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. Today, he is going over the 6 sounds in your house. They're like in your house and they're making noise and you're like, what is going on? Where are they coming from? He's going to be talking about plumbing causes of these sounds, and we've even got examples of the sounds. Yeah, we do. All right, so let's jump in. Number 1.
Well, first I get a lot of questions about the water heater making noise, a percolating sound. Okay, that is about 1 out of 10 water heaters, or 1 out of 5 water heaters percolate. You can't stop it. I think it's something to do with the metals. I don't know, but I just either drain it down or people live with it. And I've had 3 water heaters that all 3 of them in my last home that percolated, and I just left them alone. I knew they weren't going to blow up. Okay, so that's one thing that is really not curable, but give it a try if you feel like draining that heater.
And if it's annoying you, you can drain it or just get a new heater.
Well, next heater can do the same thing on it. I don't know what causes it. And of course, a manufacturer is going to say, well, you got to drain it all the time. Well, I think that's stupid. Okay, so that's my opinion.
Doesn't matter if it's gas or electric?
No, mostly you'll get it on the gas water heaters. The heat on the bottom of the heater. Electric water heaters, I don't think I've ever heard of one percolating on it.
So the next one is squeaking. The squeaking noise in your house. We'll play the sound right now.
Okay, kind of like that there. A squeaking, it can be, some people have ROs, they have expansion tanks on the water heaters, and they might have a well tank. Inside those tanks there's a bladder. When that bladder goes to hell, and it can make a squealing sound on it. And it'd be surprised how many people, tell you got a sound, but it doesn't always hear it. Well, that's what's causing the thing. It's that squeaking sound or the bladder sound there on it. So check that out. That's always a good one if you, for noises. Here's another one that people, you can hear when the water pipe, the hot water pipe comes on, it might be too close to drilled through a piece of wood, like a stud or something like that, and they didn't put a proper clamp on it that will stop the squealing from it, and that'll make a squeaking sound on the thing. But that's something you really can't repair. It's done with it, so just live with it, okay?
Number 3, this is a squealing sound. If you hear a squealing sound in your house, we'll play the sound the squealing sounds like. Okay, you want to try?
Well, it's a real, it's like a screech, something like that. That's what you're gonna get when you have a bladder problem with like the RO, the expansion tank, or a well tank. That's usually what it comes from right there.
Number 4, chattering sound. All right, we'll play an example of a chattering sound.
Brrr, chattering sound is like, brrr, I remember the first one I ever heard. And I didn't even know what it was until another plumber told me it's a loose washer in a faucet. Well, nowadays we don't have a lot of faucets that have washers in them, but you have the angle stops. Compression angle stop has a washer in it, and there's not a screw holding that in. It's just pressed in, and if it gets too loose, it'll chatter when the water, especially when you flush a toilet, it'll bring it on and chatter. Other chattering sounds can be, nowadays everybody's got pressure balance valves in their house, in their bathroom. That's your shower valve. That's the only thing that's pressure balanced. When they get old, they'll start banging on things and making a noise, boom, boom, something like that. And that's when you gotta just replace the cartridge on it. Or another thing too is, if you notice that you're in the shower and all of a sudden you get nothing but hot water or cold water, that's the pressure balance valve, that little piston in there that's moving.
And will it make the chattering sound if you're having that problem?
It'll even freeze up on you. I had a house years ago that the guy tore a house apart, and it ended up just being the pressure balance on it. Brand new home.
Next one, number 5, is pressure regulator. What noise does that make?
Oh, if you have a pressure regulator, they can make a squealing sound, maybe a chattering sound. You'll get a drop in water pressure or high water pressure, but a lot of times they'll make a sound of some sort when you can't figure out where it's coming from. always go out and listen to that pressure regulator.
Where's the pressure regulator usually?
It's usually outside the house, like
at the main when the water comes in? Or?
Right at the main, right at the entrance. Very seldom you find them in the house. They're usually outside. It's just before the shutoff on the house. Mostly in warm climates, like in Florida or California, they have a lot of pressure regulators.
The last one is a gurgling sound. You hear a gurgling sound in your house? We'll play an example of that. We'll give it a shot.
Go, or something like that. That's usually a vent is plugged. You know, it's not getting enough air in the system. Even a toilet will like bubble, you know, like a bubble will come up in the toilet bowl. That's because there's not something, either plug that vent or, you know, it's not the right size vent.
So we're talking about the vent, part of the drain system that comes out of your roof. We're talking about that could be plugged.
Yes.
Now cause that gurgling sound.
You know, the squirrels like to put things in them. The leaves fall in them over the years.
Snow, you mentioned snow before.
Snow, you get too much snow on the roof and it'll block the vent on it. You know, you got to look for everything.
So those are the 6 common sounds that are related to plumbing in your house. If you're hearing a sound, hopefully you Googled it, found this YouTube video, and you're able to track down that cause of that sound for you. If you can't track it down, ask your priest.
Oh yeah, you get that priest guy, he knows
maybe
everything.
paranormal activity.
Oh, AI, ask AI.
There you go.
There you go.
Have AI come
you'll
over
be
and take a
set.
look at
You
it.
don't even need me anymore.
There you go.
Okay.
If you have questions about a sound, leave a comment down below, and he'll do his best to answer it for you. It's kind of what he does.
Yep, I'm doing them. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, bye.